Hello guys, and welcome to another marketplace asset review. This one is a very cool project called Shanty Slums, and it contains assets to create a whole village and dark side. It's free for June, so if you want to make a village for your game or you just want to have some cool assets to use in different scenarios, grab it from the marketplace. The environment design is pretty decent and you can use it for your game without a lot of tweaking and edits. There is a river here which starts from the mountains and then goes like this and ends in the ocean. Here we have an animated ocean material, which is not the best ocean material you can have in Unreal, but it's not that bad either and you can use it in some of your projects. The village is formed around the river and there is also a road around the village which is made by a very simple but useful blueprint. This is the blueprint, and what it does is that it duplicates a static mesh along a spline and gives you complete control over the shape of the object. Here you can select a mesh and then in the level you can play with the spline to create the form you like based on your scene. They have used the same setup for creating these fences as well. We can just go to the blueprints, drag a fence blueprint into the scene and play with it to create a fence in a very short period of time. You can just open up the blueprint, assign any static mesh you like and then adjust it based on the form you are looking for. They have also used the same system to create these cables and wires. Here I have played with them and messed them up, but again you can adjust them by just playing with these spline points and shape the objects exactly as you want. You are going to need this in almost all of your environment designs, so even if you don't need the other assets in the package, grab it ASAP so you don't miss these very cool and handy blueprints. Here in the overview level, they have most of the assets, but some of them are missing for some reason. For example, here we don't have the power poles or the dock assets. This is a good way to see what you have in the package, but if you want to know all the assets in the project, the best way is exploring the content browser itself and see what you have here. Again, this is a very valuable project and it's free for this month, so do not hesitate to grab it from the marketplace. That's it for this one and I hope you liked the video. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one.